Honda CB1000 Hornet 2026. Things you need to know. The heart of a Fireblade. The engine is on a completely new build. It is a retuned version of the 999cc E94 from the legendary 2017 CBR10RR Fireblade. Tip our numbers! The standard Hornet pushes out around 150 horsepower, but the S&P variant jumps to 155 horsepower at 11,000 revolutions per minute and 80 pounds FT of torque at 9,000 revolutions per minute. The character, Honda shortened the gear ratios for explosive acceleration in gears 1 through 5, leaving 6th gear tall for smooth highway cruising. Below 5,700 revolutions per minute, it's incredibly docile and clean enough to crawl through city traffic. Once you pass 7,000 revolutions per minute, a specialized revolutionary controlled RC exhaust valve opens up, changing the intake notes into a roaring, high-pitched wail.